So this is everything you get with this kit. With the Bubot 300P, you get the unit itself. There's the charge port, there's the on button. You get the charger, or the, I guess, transformer. You get this booklet. You get this handle you tie onto it, and you get these two brushes you got to put on the bottom, and you get this hook to put on your pool. I would save this stuff just in case you got to send it back to get it fixed. I even kept this to wrap up the cord. You know, you're going to have to flip it over like this, and you got to put your brushes in. All right, you follows me? So these two brushes go right in there. You know what I mean, jelly beans? They just slide in like that. And I think I just got to push. And they should snap right in. I'm going to have to use a little bit more power, I think. Let me see. Oh, there we go. That one's in. Let's see if we can do this one. So I put one side in first, like, you know what I mean? And then, like, I put that side, this time I put this side in. And then I'm just going to push this side down. All right, it's in. It's making some noise. I don't know why. I did not turn it on. All right. I don't think I turned it on, but hopefully maybe I pushed that by accident. I don't see any lights coming on it. So let's go ahead and plug it in and charge it. So I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm just going to set her down there. I'm going to pull out this. Now remember, when you do put it in the pool, make sure you put this thing back in there. You don't want water getting in that. So let's go ahead and grab our charger. All right, let's bring her around. Let's go ahead, we'll plug her in. And you're going to notice there's a little groove in this right here, so you're going to match the groove up to get this on there right, okay? So there I go, I got it in. Let me show you again. All right, so look, you see that little thing there, that indentation? The back of that's got to go to that. So I'm putting it like that, right? Then I'm going to push it in. Now we got to make sure this thing's fully charged before we put it in the pool and use it for the first time. So let's go ahead and get her in there. And there we go. So we got a green light, and I don't know if that's telling me it's fully charged or not, but we'll just let it sit there for a little bit to make sure we get a whole total charge on it, because it came with the battery already kicked in. So we'll see what happens. So if you look at this, it's telling me that we've got to make sure it's fully charged, and it shows that if it's red, it's charging. If it's green, it's fully charged. So we got a green light, so I think we're good. And then next it wants us to tie this floating handle on it, all right? Which is kind of weird. I mean, that's kind of a weird way to do it. And it shows you just tying it to this back handle. And then this is your grabber that you hook to your pool pole. All right, so I think we're ready to go. All right, as you can see, this thing is fully charged. Now it's telling me to tie this on here. So I'm just gonna put a half hitch on it. I'm gonna come through here, slide this through once, then come back through again, like that. And then, bam, Bob's your uncle. And that should be enough to pick it up out of the water. You follow me? Now, as you can see, this has got a lot of rope on it. Look at it. Look at this. I mean, it's got about 6 feet of line, so we should be able to get it out of there. All right, so this is all green, so I think it's ready to go. So I think we just got to unplug it. All right, and then we got to make sure that we put this down on here, because you don't want water getting in there. So you got to plug that all the way in, all right? And then we can just take this out of here. Just gonna wrap it up and set it over here for right now. Now this is ready to go. So we just gotta take her outside, and we're gonna put it in the pool. How's that sound? All right, we're taking her out. I'm just gonna bring it right out here, and you can see our pool is a little dirty, so we're gonna give this thing a shot and see how it does. Instructions, it did say that you have to submerge it all the way before you turn it on. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and I got the handle here. And what's cool is this handle right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this handle seems to kind of float a little bit. Let me make sure that I've got it tight on there good. I think that should be good. All right, now what I got to do is I'm going to press this button to turn it on. And you can see the light. And then I want to get this over here on the floor. So I'm just going to bring it over here, let it go down. Right, there it is. There she goes. And then I'm just going to throw that out. And we'll see what it does. Wow, it moves fast. So there she is. You can see her moving around. Wow, it's really moving fast. The question is it going to do a good job cleaning the pool? But we'll just wait and we'll see how it does. It's going to go for 90 minutes. So we just got to let it keep doing its job. Man, it really moved quickly. I'm surprised. All right, we got 90 minutes. We'll come back and check it out.